So let me ask a question then, because I just took stats in college and whatnot. And so what percentage of data scientists in the workforce today went to school for data science?
Wow. I don't know the percentage.
If you had to guess. A lot?
I would say 5%.
At most.
I feel like it's the same way because Charlie and I had the conversation. I've had a conversation in the past about aptitude versus interest. Mm-hmm. And part of the reason we're doing this is because we're bringing interest to the table and setting it down and saying, look at this thing right here with regards to data. But it feels like everybody has to, to Charlie's other point is they have to find their own path. Like we found our own path to the place that we're at, but it's not through any kind of structured way.
Right.
But that's becoming more prevalent though, right? Mm-hmm. And so what does the standard like real education path look like?
Oh, so you throw it to the education guy. Let me be very real on this topic today, because this isn't going to be a commercial for education today or for universities. It is going to be helping the person at home that wants to get started in a data career. The truth is, even the 5% that have been educated are in programs that are in beta. They're just starting out. Nobody says they're correct. We're just, a lot of times you're taking the stat class plus the programming class and saying you're a data scientist. So we're trying to figure it out in the higher ed space right now. So everybody has a weird path to get into data science today. Sure. So then it becomes, what are the intangibles that are part of your education? Mm-hmm. And I'll tell you, I'll take somebody from a music college if they have the right logic. We know how many friends that are programmers are now data scientists that started off as a drummer, or a lead guitarist. So we know that's the case. So creativity is also something. So you have to think about the skills that, when you add the data component to that, would make a really good data enthusiast or professional.